Most people try growing lemon trees from seeds, but very few realize that cuttings can produce faster, stronger, and more reliable plants. In fact, once you understand how propagation really works, you may never want to grow lemons from seeds again. In today's video, I'll show you the exact method I use to propagate lemon trees from cuttings, step by step. I'll explain how to choose the perfect branch, prepare the cutting correctly, stimulate faster root growth naturally, and create the ideal rooting environment at home. The best part is that this method can sometimes produce rooted plants even faster than air layering. By the end of this video, you'll understand the real biological reason experienced growers prefer cuttings over seeds and how you can successfully grow healthy lemon plants using simple materials available at home. One of the biggest advantages of propagating lemon trees from cuttings is speed. Lemon plants grown from seeds often take many years before they begin flowering and producing fruit. In some cases, seed-grown trees may take 5 to 7 years, or even longer, to become productive. This happens because a seed-grown lemon tree starts its life in a juvenile stage. During this stage, the plant focuses entirely on vegetative growth, developing roots, branches, and leaves before it becomes mature enough to reproduce. Cuttings work very differently. When you propagate a lemon tree from a cutting, you are cloning a mature branch from an already fruit-producing plant. Biologically, that branch already carries the maturity needed for flowering and fruiting. Once roots develop, the cutting continues growing as a mature plant instead of restarting from the juvenile stage. This is the real reason many experienced growers prefer cuttings over seeds. Another advantage is consistency. Seed-grown lemon trees can produce unpredictable results because genetic variation may change fruit size, taste, or productivity. But a cutting preserves the exact characteristics of the parent plant. If the original tree produces sweet, juicy, high-yield lemons, the propagated cutting will usually maintain those same qualities. That means faster fruiting, predictable results, and a much more reliable lemon tree overall. The success of lemon propagation depends heavily on selecting the right branch. Many cuttings fail simply because growers choose branches that are either too young or too weak. A healthy cutting should come from a mature branch that is neither extremely soft nor too old and woody. Young green shoots may look fresh and healthy, but they usually lack the internal maturity needed to develop roots successfully. The best branches are semi-hardwood stems that show slight color variation or light markings on the surface. These marks indicate that the tissue has started maturing and is physiologically ready for root formation. Another important detail is branch shape. Always choose a straight, healthy branch instead of a bent or damaged one. Straight branches have better internal structure and usually develop stronger root systems after propagation. Look closely for active buds along the branch as well. Small, visible buds are excellent signs because they indicate active growth points that can later develop into new shoots. Once the ideal branch is selected, use a clean cutter or pruning tool to remove it carefully. Never break branches by hand because damaged tissue increases the risk of rot and infection. A clean cut protects the plant, preserves healthy tissue, and gives the cutting the best possible chance to root successfully and grow into a strong new lemon tree. Proper cutting preparation is one of the most important steps in successful lemon propagation. Even a healthy branch can fail if it is not prepared correctly before planting. First, remove most of the leaves from the cutting. However, never pull leaves off by hand, because this can damage the delicate buds growing near the leaf joints. Always use a clean cutter or scissors to remove leaves carefully while protecting the buds. These buds are extremely important because they are the future growth points that will later produce new shoots. Next, trim the base of the cutting at a 45-degree angle. This angled cut increases the surface area exposed to moisture and rooting hormones, helping roots develop faster and more efficiently. Each cutting should also contain at least one healthy node, because root formation usually begins near these joints. Another highly effective trick is making a very small, shallow cut just above a bud. This tiny wound slightly exposes the internal tissue, stimulating both root development and future shoot growth. If the top portion of the cutting dries out later, the lower bud can still survive and produce new growth, increasing the chances of successful propagation. After trimming and preparing the cuttings properly, they become much more capable of forming roots quickly and developing into healthy lemon plants with strong future growth potential. Timing plays a huge role in successful lemon propagation. Even perfectly prepared cuttings may fail if they are planted during the wrong season. The best time to propagate lemon cuttings is when temperatures are moderate and humidity levels are naturally higher. In most regions, October and February are considered ideal months for propagation. During October, the weather is usually warm, but not excessively hot, and humidity remains high enough to prevent cuttings from drying out too quickly. These conditions reduce stress on the cutting while encouraging faster root formation. February is also an excellent propagation season because the extreme cold of winter begins to fade, while temperatures remain cool enough to support stable moisture levels in the growing medium. Avoid propagating lemon cuttings during extreme summer heat because high temperatures can cause rapid dehydration before roots have time to develop. Very cold conditions are also risky because root activity slows dramatically in low temperatures. Balanced environmental conditions are essential because cuttings initially survive only through stored moisture and energy inside the stem. Choosing the right season significantly increases rooting. Success improves survival rates and helps the new lemon plant establish itself much faster after propagation. Many growers believe that successful propagation requires expensive commercial rooting hormones, but one of the best natural rooting stimulants is actually found in many homes: aloe vera. Aloe vera contains natural enzymes, amino acids, growth compounds, and plant hormones that help stimulate root formation in cuttings. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which protect the cutting from infection and stem rot during the early rooting stage. Before applying aloe vera, gently rinse the cuttings with clean water to remove dust pests or surface contaminants. This helps the aloe gel stick evenly to the stem and improves absorption. Next, apply fresh aloe vera gel generously around the lower portion of each cutting, especially near the angled base cut and the node areas where roots are expected to form. The gel creates a protective layer that keeps the tissue moist, while also delivering natural growth-stimulating compounds directly into the stem. Unlike some chemical rooting products that can sometimes burn delicate tissue if overused, aloe vera works gently and naturally with the plant's biology. Many growers notice that aloe-treated cuttings remain healthier, experience less fungal damage, and often develop roots faster than untreated cuttings. This simple natural rooting method is affordable, effective, and ideal for home gardeners who want healthier lemon cuttings without relying on expensive synthetic chemicals. Another highly effective but often overlooked propagation ingredient is wood ash. When used correctly, a very small amount of wood ash can significantly improve root development in lemon cuttings. Wood ash naturally contains potassium, an essential nutrient responsible for root growth, water regulation, and overall plant strength. Potassium helps newly forming roots become stronger and more resilient during the early propagation stage. After coating the cuttings with aloe vera gel, lightly dust a thin layer of fine wood ash around the lower part of the stem. Only a very small amount is needed. This step provides a mild potassium boost directly near the rooting zone, while also helping reduce fungal problems around the moist stem tissue. However, moderation is extremely important. Too much wood ash can increase alkalinity and damage delicate developing roots. That is why experienced growers never mix large quantities of ash directly into the rooting medium during early propagation. Instead, they use only a light surface coating on the cutting itself. When combined with aloe vera, this natural combination creates a protective and nutrient-rich environment that supports faster root initiation and healthier cutting survival. This simple traditional technique is inexpensive, completely natural, and surprisingly effective for improving lemon propagation success at home. A healthy rooting medium is essential for successful lemon propagation because young cuttings need the perfect balance of moisture, oxygen, and nutrients while roots are forming. The ideal rooting mix should be soft, airy, nutrient-rich, and well-draining. Heavy, compact soil can trap too much water around the cutting, increasing the risk of stem rot before roots develop. One excellent combination is organic compost mixed with vermicompost. Organic compost improves soil structure and helps retain balanced moisture levels without becoming waterlogged. It also provides slow-release nutrients that support early root development. Vermicompost adds beneficial microbes, enzymes, and natural nutrients that stimulate biological activity around the cutting. These microorganisms help create a healthier environment for new roots to grow. To prepare the rooting cups, first make drainage holes at the bottom. Proper drainage is extremely important because standing water can quickly rot unrooted cuttings. Next, add alternating layers of organic compost and vermicompost. Then gently mix them together until the texture becomes loose and uniform. A loose growing medium allows oxygen to reach the developing roots more easily, which greatly improves rooting success. After filling the cups, lightly press the surface so the cutting remains stable once planted. This balanced rooting environment helps the cuttings stay moist, healthy, and properly aerated, while encouraging faster and stronger root formation naturally. Once the cuttings and rooting medium are fully prepared, the next step is planting them correctly and creating the ideal humidity conditions for root development. Carefully insert each cutting into the soil and press the surrounding medium gently so the stem remains upright and stable. This step is extremely important because loose or moving cuttings can damage newly forming roots before they establish properly. After planting, water the cups thoroughly until water begins draining from the holes at the bottom. This ensures the entire rooting medium becomes evenly moist from top to bottom. Once the medium is fully saturated, avoid watering again immediately. Lemon cuttings are highly sensitive to overwatering during the rooting stage. Constantly wet soil can quickly lead to fungal infection and stem rot. Only water again when the upper layer of the soil begins to feel slightly dry. Humidity control is equally important because cuttings initially lose moisture faster than they can absorb it. Since roots have not yet formed, the cutting depends heavily on trapped humidity to survive. To create a simple humidity chamber, place another disposable cup upside down over the planted cutting. This creates a mini greenhouse effect that traps moisture around the stem and prevents excessive drying. This stable, humid environment dramatically improves survival rates and encourages faster root formation. With proper moisture, airflow, warmth, and humidity, control healthy lemon cuttings can begin developing roots within several weeks, depending on the citrus variety and growing conditions. Propagating lemon trees from cuttings is not only faster than growing from seeds, but it also produces more reliable and productive plants. By using mature branches, preparing the cuttings, correctly applying natural rooting stimulants like aloe vera, and maintaining the right moisture and humidity levels, you can dramatically increase your chances of successful propagation. The real secret is understanding how the plant responds biologically during rooting and giving it the exact conditions it needs to survive and develop new roots. With patience and proper care, a simple cutting can eventually grow into a strong, fruit-bearing lemon tree identical to the parent plant. If you enjoyed this propagation guide, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow along for future updates as these lemon cuttings continue developing roots and new growth.